Where are you going? Hi. Hi there. Where? Show everybody how you can sit up. Show everybody. Show them how you can sit up. Come on. Where's Josh? Here's Josh. Go kitty. Go kitty. Sit up. Sit up. Good boy. Go ahead. Yay, look at me. Look at me. I don't even know if it's 7-Eleven. I think it's only 6-11. Peekaboo. Of course Josh is up. Say good morning, Joshua. Joshua. Say good morning. You like my haircut?
No.
Let's get close up. Say hi, Josh.
Hi, I ain't looking at you no more.
You don't have to look at me. I'm looking at you. Oh, really? Okay. Where's Jacob? Oh, there you are. We stand up on Mommy's feet. Stand up on Mommy's feet. What? Peekaboo. What? You trying to get up? You want picked up? Hmm? Come on. Ooh, that sounds serious. That sounds serious. Yes, you got your ear specialist today, don't you? Huh? Joshua, Daddy's sleeping.
I didn't do that.
Peekaboo.
Take a look at your feet.
Get him.
Instead.
So you can see my slew of toys. Hey, look at that. You have to dig them all out, don't you? Huh? Got paper towel rolls. See, that's fun. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Say okay. Say bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye,
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, speakers.
Say bye-bye. Jacob. Jacob. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Okay. Yeah. All right.
What?
No, the car windows are down. It's raining.
Hi, baby. Hi.
Let me turn it off while I come by.
Hi, baby. Hi. What are you doing? Huh? You in the water? You in the water?
Did you find it yet?
Hmm?
Yeah, they're in your ears. Now
Say today
Hey.
is a very important day, so they're still trying to find John F. Kennedy Jr. His plane went down yesterday by Martha's Vineyard, and they haven't found a plane or him yet. So this is something you remember 20 years down the
I
road.
can stand on my tiptoes.
Look at you. Aren't you, sweetheart? Look at your hair.
yeah, I believe
Where's Josh? Here's Papa Terry. Right here, Josh. There's Quentin. Up there's Josh. Okay, we got to turn the recorder off. It's raining. What are you doing? You playing with Daddy's keyboard.
Mommy!
Huh? You playing with Daddy's keyboard. Go ahead, Josh. Show everybody your teeth. I lost my teeth on Thursday. Hi. What are you doing? Huh? Are you flying? Are you flying? Fly! Fly! Fly like a birdie! Yeah! See, that's my bye-bye. I do that when people say bye-bye. Come on! Get tight? Tight with Josh.
Look, take a flight.
Fly.
Look, watch. Can you play a piano?
Say bye-bye.
No. I'll tickle you.
No.
I'll tickle you.
Don't even get that. Put it on the other side of you. That way he's not tempted to get it. Other side, honey. There you go. There. You can type Jacob.
J-O-S-H-J-O. Yeah, I typed Jacob's in
How
here.
you spell Jacob, Josh?
Jake up. You guys learn.
Say J.
I'll spell it. J-A-C.
Hi.
C-K.
O-B. Hi. Oh. Hi there, Ham. Camera Ham. Look at him. What are you doing?
Ta-da! I spelled it.
Did you? Good job. What are you doing? Jacob. Where are you going?
Ow! No. Capital S. Let me see if I can find it. T.
Jane Woodrino died 4 months after the hurricane, at the age of 79.
No, Jacob, you're gonna ruin it. No.
No, he's alright, Josh. Daddy's lets him play with that.
Capital. Jacob, you're pressing.
He's fine, Josh.
It's not hooked up. He's not going to hurt it. What?
Share with him. Be nice.
They are born in distant oceans and can end in a
What?
desolation.
Come here, Jacob. Daddy will play with you. Come here, baby.
To stop what long ago
Trying to find off.
You yawning. Got toys back there. Look at my mess. Toys there. There.
Jacob,
There's Elmo.
Mommy, Mom.
Nope. Toys there. See, I'm going towards some other toys.
Oh no! I can play Mommy's name in. M-O-M.
What are you watching, Dad?
Weather Channel.
Oh, the Weather Channel.
Yeah.
There's Kevin as a child. Him and the remote.
Okay.
Which I love. It has the Japanese flair. I love the ceramic pottery, and it's not very formal, it's very comfortable, and that's kind of what I like.
Dad's dirty feet in the background.
Really important. So like warm lighting and
Oh, let me count.
and flowers.
Watch.
Even when I'm on
Jacob,
vacation,
watch.
I have to keep up some kind of workout. So I can still put my walks and stuff and stay in check for the ocean. But pretty much at the end of the day, I always end up. This is kind of my favorite place in this little hidden nook.
Oh, I love you so much, Mom.
Peekaboo.
Mom, wonder what Jacob's doing. Huh? What's Jacob
Typing.
doing?
See, I'll get crawling, taking toy with me.
Mom, does that feel good?
Say bye, everybody.
No, Mommy.
See Dad at his finest with his finger in his mouth.
He'll bite his fingernails.
Say bye, Dad.
Put on yourself.
I'm clean right now and fully dressed. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye.
Bye, Mama.
Here, let me back a little bit. Be nice to say bye.
Bye.